Hey beautiful people, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Labelle's Lifestyle. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this viral keratin treatment using okra and cornstarch. Guys, I saw this video on YouTube and I decided to try it out. I decided to try it out on my curly hair. What I did, let's just jump right into it. I got some okras and I chopped them into small pieces, placed them on the stove, allowed it to cook for approximately 10 minutes. Then I strained. I did the double straining method, so I used my strainer plus my stocking cap to get rid of whatever particles. Then I placed the okra juice, the slime, whatever you want to call it, on the stove. Then I had 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I just put it in, but you can mix the cornstarch in a different container and then put it in the mixture that is on the stove. So that is what I did to get my treatment. After it was finished combining and getting thick, I strained it again just to ensure that I got rid of the lumps. Now I am going to add my oil, and the oil that I'll be using is olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice, whether it is coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, whichever oil you have available, you can use that one. I applied the mixture to my hair and I left it in for about 2 hours, after which I rinsed it out with water. The effect that I saw on this viral video on YouTube, I did not get that. But I can tell you though that it was a very good treatment because it made my hair very soft. It detangled easily and it felt good. So if you did not get the keratin treatment effect, it will still do wonders for your hair. Okra has several benefits for the hair. It acts as a natural detangler, making it easier to comb through. Guys, you can check out my recent upload. I did a video where I used okra and aloe vera to do a hair mask and to also detangle my daughter's hair, so you can check that out. Okra has many benefits for the hair and it contains vitamins A, C, and K. It contains magnesium. Okra acts as a natural detangler, so this treatment has a lot of benefits for our hair. So if you have curly hair, just tell yourself that you are doing a hair mask and not necessarily getting a keratin treatment. Persons who are from Brazil, you know, the Brazilian with their straight hair, so just adding some cornstarch and okra will give them that straight effect. But I can definitely tell you that it made my hair feel smooth. It felt so silky. It felt so soft. It felt good. I like the treatment, so you can try it out for yourself and come and tell me what you think about it. Watch more content like these, go to the description box or click on the end screen. Thank you for watching and walk good.